In today's video, we're gonna assemble 3 easy snacks that kids can make themselves and enjoy all summer long. Hey, I'm Laura, and if you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I share lots of school lunch ideas and easy recipes that my family enjoys. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. I share new videos every week. This first snack is a delicious treat that my family calls a watermelon pizza. I usually slice the watermelon for my kids into about 1 to 1.5 inch thick rounds, just like these. And once we have a round pizza-like base, you can spread an even layer of vanilla yogurt on top. Now after that, it's everyone's favorite part, the toppings. Other fruits that go great on top are blueberries, and even granola is a winner. Now, speaking of granola, we're gonna use it in this next summer snack idea, the apple sandwiches. They're super easy to make and they come together in minutes. By the way, if you love this type of quick and easy recipes, give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more of them on my channel. For the apple sandwiches, we need to cut our apples into horizontal slices. But before that, if you have an apple core like this one, it's time to get it out of the drawer and put it to use. You just simply put it through the middle of the apple, twist, and pull the core out. If you don't have one, don't worry. I'm gonna show you how to do that next. To cut our apple, I'm gonna put it on top of a kitchen towel. This is really helpful to keep it from wobbling around. And now you'll slice the apple into horizontal slices from one end to the other. Now these slices have been cored, but if you don't have that apple core, you just slice the slices horizontally, and then with a small paring knife, you're gonna cut the middle part with the seeds out. Now after that, it's totally up to the kids to build their own sandwiches. We like to spread peanut butter on one slice and then sprinkle some of granola on top and then maybe some coconut flakes. But you can also do jelly, like peanut butter and jelly, chocolate chips, sprinkles. Now the final touch is to add another apple slice on top and close our sandwich. And there you have it, an easy snack, real quick. And finally, these frozen banana bites are delicious and an activity that keeps my kids busy throughout the day in the summer. First, you're gonna peel your banana. You wanna use a ripe banana, but not so ripe that when you slice it, it's mushy. So we're gonna slice it into 1/4 of an inch thick slices. I'm also gonna line a small baking sheet or plate with parchment paper. All you have to do is spread peanut butter over the top of one slice and cover it with another slice. You're gonna do that with a few more of them, and then you're gonna put those PB and banana sandwiches right on top of your parchment. When the entire batch is ready, it's gonna go in the freezer for about 20 minutes to 1 hour. Then it's time to dip them in chocolate. Melting the chocolate in the microwave can be tricky and it's super easy to burn, so I recommend microwaving it in 30 seconds at first. Then you're gonna take it out and stir it. And then you're gonna microwave it in 15-second increments. When the chocolate is melty and it looks like this, take those frozen banana peanut butter sandwiches out of the freezer, and then you'll poke a frozen peanut butter banana sandwich with a fork and dip it in that melted chocolate and place it back on the baking sheet. You're gonna repeat the process with the rest, and they go back in the freezer for about another 30 minutes to an hour. After that, you take them out and look how good they look. If you have any leftovers, put them in an airtight container and you can keep them in the fridge for up to a week. Make sure to check the description box for those recipes and more snack ideas for kids. See you next time.